Hi Marcin. I'm making this video to help you to raise up your grades, and I want to tell you that the first way you can start that off is by using a scouting report. And the scouting report is just a place that you can record your class name, your teacher's name, what you need for that class, how you're going to be graded in that class, the challenges you think you might face, and also how you would overcome those challenges. And then after you do that, you need to make sure that you're organized so you kind of can find what you need in order to turn the assignments. So you should probably establish some sort of a filing system. And though it may not be necessary, it would be very helpful. So you just need to organize. You don't need to put it in middle folders and have a like shelving system of shelves. You just need to be able to find things that you need and things that will get you good grades. So if you take a certain amount of notes in this class and you need those notes and then you can't find them, then you're not going to be very lucky about that because you can't just say, oh, I put them in my book bag and now I don't know where they are. Teacher's not going to say, oh, that's okay, it's okay, I understand. No, she's not going to do that. Or he. After that, you actually need something to file, so you can use the Cornell Notes system, which is where you pretty much write key notes where you don't listen to whatever the teacher says and write it all down. You just listen for things that maybe she repeats, or she might even say, this will be on your quiz, so make sure you write it down, and then you write that. So you write the key notes or the big ideas or the main ideas or whatever, and you summarize it at the end. You don't just summarize, it has to be like 2 to 3 sentences, it has to be a decent length, and you have to understand. So you need to know what you're doing, because if you don't know, then it's not going to help. So you need to be able to ask the teacher, and you need to make sure that she works with you so you can better yourself and your grades. After that, you actually need to study your notes in order to get good grades on the test, because just if you're turning in classwork assignments, it doesn't mean that you're actually going to get a good grade, whereas the tests are normally heavier weighted than the classwork is. So you need to know how to study, and everybody studies differently. Different things work for different people. I could be a visual learner, and you could be a tactile learner. So we have different things, and so what I might benefit from studying, you might not benefit from studying. So you can do flashcards, you can exercise and repeat things in your mind, you can study with a group, you can do pictures, models, you can do whatever it is that you need. It's just kind of a basis of trial and error. You need to quiz yourself, and you need to be on top of it, and you need to make sure that you do whatever you need to do to raise your grades. And I've given you as much help as I can, so now it's all up to you. Bye.